Welcome back to Howlogical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you add image or videos into your existing highlights. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram application, and after opening the Instagram, just simply go to your profile by clicking to this profile button into the bottom right corner. Step 2. Select your existing highlights. Now after coming to your profile, you just simply have to select one of your existing highlight that you want to add a new highlight. And after opening the highlight, you just simply have to click into this more button into the bottom right corner and select edit highlights from here. Step 3. Add the media into your highlights. Now after coming here, you just simply have to select this stories option into your right side, and after selecting there, you can see all the medias that you can add into your highlights. Just simply select the media that you want to add and click to this done button. After doing this very easy steps, your highlights will be updated and you can add any of your videos or photos into your existing highlights. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.